Hello you awesome people and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel. You're watching Retro Nokia and stuff. You've already read the title, so it's a Nokia E65 refurbished video. This is the phone that I haven't finished in my last live stream, and my time is very limited, unfortunately. Too much work to do, too little time. Oh, sorry, I was looking at my device here. How do you call this? Tripod or something like that holds the camera with which I'm going to film the disassemble. It says jackal. I don't know why I understood jackass. Yeah, okay. So here's the phone. Let's begin. I've heard of facelift but faceless. And here it is. Shut up. The phone appears to be working. So let's begin. What's not working, the bottom keyboard isn't lighting up. Maybe there's something I can do about that. Sliding down, that's it. There you have these two 4 clamps here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you need something sharp and small, you know, kind of like your and push in here like so. Push it to the middle. You can do that just in one side and it should come out, something like this. But don't pull out the connector yet. Still have these clamps here. Something like this. There we go. Oh my god, what's in this thing? Oh. Alright. Now we can take the display out. Here's the display. And you have to pull the slide a bit down like this. See, there's a screw hidden here. That's why I took off that black sticker. That's one screw. This phone had missing screws. One missing screw and the other ones are just loosened. Has these annoying clamps up here. You just have to push in and out like this. Makes sense? I don't know. Deal with it. Should have those cables right here, the ribbon cables. Yep. And this one that I almost forgot. Oh, this fell on its own. Good. Okay, here are those two ribbon cables inside here. One, and this should be the second. Alright. Now I have to disconnect the side buttons and the camera. There we go. And here's the main board. Ta-da! Congratulations if you managed this. It's easy. A lot of cleaning for me. Yeah, I'll need to change this because it's, you know, dented, damaged. What we have left here are the side buttons, which I'm going to unstick, just gently pressing here to not damage the cable, and then pull it up. Easy. There we have the side buttons and the camera module. Then we can take out the SIM card and micro SD card slots. Here is the charging port. And the microphone. I think I can push it from in here like this, in this little hole. Yes, I can. Yeah, boy. Still here. All I have left are the side buttons, well, not the electric part. It has these clamps here. Just push it in like so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they came out. I have to clean them as well. Yay. And here we have an empty shell, kind of like myself. Now for these buttons, you have these 4 clamps, you know, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just press them outside like so. 1, 2. The buttons are just put here in the frame. They're not that bad, but I am going to change them. I am going to change the whole slide mechanism, so yeah. I'll see what I find here. Well, all that's left is for me to clean them and be right back with the assembly. Don't go anywhere. What a lovely mess. Okay, this is a bit better. So let's begin. Something is the new body shell, which originally came with the charging port and the microphone. So I'm going to put the speaker and the antenna, loudspeaker that is. Also clean the buttons, look like new. To put the buttons back, just slide it like this in place and just push on them. Carefully to put, see, this can happen. All the right clamps in their place. There we go. We can put the SIM card and micro SD card slot. That fell. Kind of like my life. How nice it looks to push on the pins. Putting the buttons back in their place. but it's a bit annoying. There we go. Okay. Also connecting the ribbon cable. There we go. And now that the buttons are pressing, let's leave it aside for now. The cable has the not this actually yes, this the top cable has to go through the top hole. Wow, I nailed it. Finally in place. All we need now is to glue this back here. Something like this. And then to put the buttons. And then clamp it into place. Something like this. There we go. Alright then. Then to make a sandwich. I'm just pushing this connector into place here somehow. Like so. Nice. Actually open this up and give me some extra cable. Yeah, like this. There we go. Should be able to make a little sandwich here. Should get these side clamps. There we have it. Well, time to start putting the screws back. And I'll start with this little annoying one, which is a plastic screw. Well, it's not made of plastic, it's for plastic. Now all the screws are in place. All that's left is for me to keep this cable arranged and to connect the display into place. There we go. Putting in the little ribbon cable, then the earpiece. Technically it has to slide here like this in the top, then just press it down, and there we have it. Now this is gonna take a while, so I'll just skip ahead. This thing doesn't have dust in it, I know that, I've checked. And to slide it from the bottom to the top. Let's check now to see if there's not any dust in it, so I can close it. Okay, it looks clean enough. Then to click it in place. Click and click, click, click. Yeah, boy. Beautiful. Beautiful! Here comes the nice part. course, the new battery cover. Click. Look at this beauty. Admire it. Worship it. I'm just playing. Let's start it up. Now these buttons are lighting up. You may not see it good, but they are lighting up. Nice. All the side buttons are pressing nice. Okay, the camera works. Why are you on silent step, bro? Almost forgot about this. Well, it's not that straight anymore, but it's better than nothing, you know. Recording to make sure that the microphone works. I hope. Please don't make me disassemble it again. I'm gonna go crazy. Recording to make sure that the microphone works. I hope. Please don't make me disassemble it again. I'm gonna go crazy. Yeah, boy. And it's done. And so, my dear friends, it is done. This screen was not that annoying to clean. The phone works fine. Let me check the buttons to make sure that they illuminate again. There we go. See, they light it up. Good. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this restoration video of this little nice phone, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot. And I really appreciate if you do that. So until next time, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye. Time to put this in its bag and send it on its way.